In this video we are going to talk about the best flux-cored welder for auto body repair in this year, which is Forni EasyWeld 261. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Hobart 500572 Handler 100 welder is a compact and versatile welding machine designed for both beginner and experienced welders. Produced by Hobart, a renowned manufacturer in the welding industry, the Handler 100 offers a range of features and capabilities that make it a reliable choice for various welding projects. This article will delve into the details of the Hobart 500572 Handler 100 welder, exploring its key features, performance, portability, and potential applications. Key features. Portable and compact design. The Handler 100 is known for its lightweight and compact design, weighing just 44 pounds. This makes it highly portable and convenient for transportation to different job sites. Power output. This welder operates on 115V input power, making it suitable for use in standard household power outlets. It offers a maximum output of 100 amps, allowing for welding on mild steel up to a 1/4 inch thick. Flux-cored and MIG welding. The Handler 100 supports both flux-cored welding and MIG welding processes, providing versatility for a range of welding applications. Flux-cored welding allows for welding without the need for external shielding gas, while MIG welding offers cleaner welds with the use of shielding gas. Infinite wire feed speed control. The machine features an infinite wire feed speed control dial, enabling precise adjustments to match the welding requirements of different materials and thicknesses. Adjustable voltage control. The Handler 100 offers a 5-position voltage control selector, allowing users to adjust the welding voltage to achieve optimal arc performance and penetration. Performance and reliability. Despite its compact size, the Hobart 500572 Handler 100 welder delivers impressive performance. It provides a smooth and stable arc, ensuring consistent welds and minimal spatter. The machine is built with durable components and construction, ensuring reliability and longevity even in demanding work environments. Conclusion. The Hobart 500572 Handler 100 welder is a compact and versatile welding machine that offers impressive performance, ease of use, and portability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, this welder provides the necessary features to tackle a range of welding projects. With its durable construction, user-friendly operation, and support for flux-cored and MIG welding, the Handler 100 is a reliable and efficient choice for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.